Have you ever wondered why your dog seems to love one person just a little more? Psychology says it's not random. It's bond chemistry. When a dog meets people, his brain quietly scans your tone, scent, and energy. And whoever makes him feel calm, not excited, but safe, that's the one his brain locks onto. His amygdala, the part that senses trust, lights up only around that person. And over time, his heartbeat literally syncs with theirs. That's why your dog might follow you room to room or wait outside your door, not out of habit, but because your presence regulates his nervous system. He can smell your emotions, feel your stress, and even adjust his breathing to match your pace. To him, you're not the owner, you're home. So if your dog chose you, it's not because you feed him the most. It's because your soul feels safe to his.